What about Truth Social?
Yeah,
Shall
so this
we?
one, so Trump's thing, his new social media platform that he's been working on for a while, it went live a couple days ago, yesterday.
Yeah, around there.
Really recently, and it shot right to #1 on the iOS App Store, but it wasn't launched on Android at the same moment, and that's always a problem. It was a problem for a couple reasons. But the main reason that seemed to affect him here is the fact that a bunch of copycat clones submitted to the App Store and sort of absorbed the interest as people rushed to the Play Store to look for this app because they're fans of Trump or whatever. And so what you ended up with was a bunch of people getting scammed or getting involved with fake copies, including, what are the names here? You got to go down a little bit further. These are the MAGA Hub Truth Social Trump. Well, how about that for a copycat? That app was released a while ago, but most of the downloads came out after his official app, which is an indication of the fact that people were misconstruing it. With all the press releases and stuff associated with the new one.
Did they get scammed in any way?
Well,
did they get a virus or?
Well, this one apparently
scam money.
This one apparently was just a bad app, according to some user reports. Some people fully bought it and assumed that it was what it was pertaining to be, and then there was another app that actually came along with a $4.99 a month subscription.
Oh, that's how they got them.
And you know how that works with, you just click renewing. Yeah, okay, go for it. 2 clicks and you're $4.99 a month for the rest of your life. But the other app, let me check what the name of the other app was. Scroll down a little further, just so we have that one shouted out as well. Social App for Truth, $4.99 a week. Apologies.
Oh,
$4.99 a week.
It's more than Netflix.
Yeah, so
it's all lowercase.
And that's Social App for Truth. And Truth, you had Truth Social Trump, Social App for Truth. And of course, the real thing is called Truth Social. And they are doing a version for Android, but it's not ready yet. There's like
I wonder why.
A wait list. I don't know. This happens often with applications. They don't, they want to hit certain dates for certain reasons.
Right.
And they have separate development teams sometimes for each platform. And one is ready to go and they're like, let's just launch.